My I mean, Charles, more your business.
Yep.
More your business, pa. But I don't know, sir. We are Charles in it, maybe sorry.
All right.
Last season, when him so offer Chelsea supporters bear 5 and not 10 age in a while. And we bear 8 bear country say Chelsea problem pa bako. We be a goalkeeping everywhere. Adia bako na hamo a goal scoring.
Yeah.
Enti ye ram this season we no. Na ye num bi nim say Chelsea bear augmented sa department no. Na ma solve that problem. Men kasa Chelsea ni strikers is here because Anya Xabi Pedro ho. Magayi wo ho, Liam Delap ho, Nicolas Jackson so ababak. Ono yenim say bi obesti anase onste. But then we players we nim nyina few as the American. Chance problem back a goal scoring. But transfers na yet titini nyina no. En sure dan te say as Chelsea kopɛ kem strike bia. O katana ni kura ball no ni baby a go post this. Obobo to ati you're okay with players and Bobo?
That's a very good question and a very good assessment of the situation, Rich. And I'm very happy to say what this assembly about. Now, look at Chelsea very well. One of the biggest issues with Chelsea, undoubtedly, is goal scoring. And I agree with you perfectly on what you have just said. But Rich, to solve that problem, you don't just go and pluck a striker from the market and come and fill that void. Because if you look at football and how it has evolved, there are so many ways that so many teams are utilizing to score goals. Into Ushe, Pep Guardiola, the tactics are about Manchester City. There are times where Erling Haaland as the fox in the box. If you want to use him alone as your goal scoring strategy, I'm sure no way in your goals now. Okay. So you have to be able to get certain players who can be complements in various strategic areas of the pitch to help Erling Haaland become the Erling Haaland that he has to become.
Okay.
Into social January Akofra Antoine Semenyo by. And you look at Antoine Semenyo and the profile he has, only a typical goal scorer.
Yeah.
But baby Ojinano, he can help with contributing to the play, putting the ball in the box for Erling Haaland to score. These are some of the tactical decisions a coach will have to look at his team and make. And to answer your question, and bringing it to the Chelsea perspective, I understand why Xabi Alonso was very, very, very keen on bringing Morgan Rogers to Chelsea. One of the ways that Chelsea beat solving the goal scoring problems this particular campaign, I and say, if you have a Joao Pedro who can give you that typical number 9 dominance in the box, and season a trem, very good numbers, but in terms of goal scoring, you will want more from him. You have to be able to create that flow and structural flair around the player. There will not be so much pressure on him necessarily to score for you in a game. But at the same time, he can be able to get other players who will come in. Strategies to score goals. Now you will get something from them. And that is what Morgan Rogers will give you. Because look at Morgan Rogers. The flair is there. The dominance is there. The physical ability is also there. Until Udine can set up and you play him as a number 10, either on the right or on the left or in the middle. He's not only giving you the chances creation ability, but he's also playing as a player who can feed through the channels and help liberate players like Joao Pedro to score the goals. And this is the approach. Okay. Because if you look at the players that Chelsea want to sell now in Alejandro Garnacho and in Nicolas Jackson, both of them have something about them that doesn't help them to focus and concentrate on the goal scoring that they have to do. When you have Nicolas Jackson alone, there are times where there are clear goal scoring opportunities. Nicolas Jackson will just, and you need that consistency from the players on the pitch. When you have consistency now, Rich, it is difficult to win your games. And if you cannot win your games, it is difficult to win titles. And Chelsea now, without the European football that they will play this season, there's enough time for Xabi Alonso to assemble a squad and then bind them with the right culture. Because Rich, you agree with me that one of the easiest things for every manager to do is to coach. But if I go and do a license B course, UEFA, now me see all the necessary rudiments of coaching. Now me free, now me kobo a full season with young fans by Leverkusen, and I'm able to go that full season without losing a game in the league. It shows I'm an elite manager. True or false? Mm-hmm. That's an elite manager's, status. Yeah. But to move from Bayer Leverkusen, go and manage Real Madrid, and then now come to Chelsea. Rich, these are all different countries. These are all different dynamics. And even though the coaching ability will not instantly leave you, it will be there. But the thing is that every club has their own culture. Until Xabi Alonso, the biggest task right now, and they say, even though he's assembling players and buying them for very huge sums of money, bringing them into the team, Morgan Rogers, he's now the most expensive British player on record. What you need to do is you need to bind them with the right culture. And what is the right culture? Say, Minim Sawatia, yes, Morgan Rogers it's likely he will compete with Cole Palmer. And I disagree.
Cole Palmer?
Yeah. Minim Sawatia has them there. Because you look at the two players, in terms of that creative number 10 who has flair, ability to drive into the box, create chances, shoot at goal, both of them have very, very similar traits. But Rich, the catch is that both players have the ability to play in one game, in one lineup at the same time and give Chelsea the result that Chelsea needs. Xabi Alonso, the Jumana or also CC and say he needs to be able to
accommodate.
Very good.
You
need to find a way to make sure that the players' egos do not clash.
That's not Adam.
Oh, that now say Adam for the all the players can be your coach. All the players can be Adam for.
No, I'm talking about Cole Palmer and Morgan Rogers.
But Rich, you also agree with me that in every team, every player wants to justify their selection onto the starting lineup. And there are times where the coach will look at both players and decide, say, okay, I want to start with this one, I want to bench this one. Meanwhile, both players also want to make a case for a reason why they're in the team. Niame Pachani say, Morgan Rogers coming into Chelsea now is coming to accommodate other players who have already been in the system. But the bigger task lies on Xabi Alonso to put these players together, help them understand his philosophy and the drive and Nyema or Peso achieve with Chelsea, and then help them to be able to achieve the results that they have to achieve. Because look, Rich, Chelsea do not have any excuse. And at this point, this will be the third player who has joined Chelsea who is over 100 million.
Yeah.
After they purchased Enzo Fernandez, over 100 million. There was Moise Caicedo. 107 million pounds.
And you're kind of saying
Moise Caicedo.
The answer 115
million.
They
also have Morgan Rogers now 117 million, making him the most expensive British player on record. So Chelsea have no excuse. And when him say at this point, no, the recruitment is still going on.
Yeah.
Into the defensive area now, they will buy a few more. But to say they will be sano. That is what I can give to you now. Chelsea may not go and pick a typical striker number 9. Say Branebe boy. Now you go for a Liam Delap. Ekosi. Obai wa bebo wata unhudi oye ojina pole ni no abobo no na ekwo baby. So I understand. Maybe the model. Oh no, but
the lab. Oh, shut the way we sit here now.
Yeah.
Oh, you have time.
Okay.
Oh, Chelsea. On your players now buy na no. You hit the ground running. NC. As our players now or learning curve no suntino.
It will take you some time. So that is where that's why I also agree with you. And that is it comes back to the culture making one thing. Because I don't know the mentality with which Xabi Alonso would want to train his players. But at the end of the day, so Benya results now, it will be dependent on the kind of communication he has with the players and the sort of demand that obe every star players no. In this Liam Delap mpuno obe kase obe the number 1 striker. What is his demand from Liam Delap? Obe man the target say you are supposed to score 10 goals in the season, and now I say obe man a different role. Say oh you're number 9, but always make sure that you are also looking out for other players who can enter the box and score. What will be his responsibility? So that is the answer to the question.
Okay.
The culture that Chelsea need to keep, and also the assembling of players. I will say Xabi Alonso and make sure that he gets the best out of them. But Rich, I think there are other things that are happening in the transfer market as far as coaches are concerned. In Timothy Gabi story, Pep Guardiola, there's the director general, that's the technical director, of France, Italy for Football Association, that is Paolo Maldini, Akasa, and they want to bring him on board to come and coach a Italian national team. I think this is a very big deal, in the sense that Italy national team now, they have failed to qualify for 3 successive FIFA World Cups. 3 successive FIFA World Cups. For a national team that won the 2006 FIFA World Cup, everyone would have expected said they will grow from strength to strength. But Italy for football is in serious decline. Serious decline.
And in your national team,
look at the league as
even
well.
even home clubs in the ground.
Yes, they are not able to.
We Inter Nansay Omoya Dia Kakra our the Champions League.
Yeah.
The lives of AC Milan. The custodians about the UEFA Champions League. Omunim Nedisuno Boniadeno.
Yeah.
It's on by Omunyadi. Napoli.
Yeah.
Atlanta, so our teams they are not performing.
And it's a very big thing. And I think that if they are able to speak to Pep Guardiola to bring him a Bebuam, because when we meeting, it took them 3 days. 3 days meeting in Barcelona.
Wow.
Just to speak to the man. So it tells you, say, the discussions that are going on, no, if you don't take care, maybe there may be an agreement, there may be possibly, you never know what will happen, but Pep Guardiola assistants, no, he's speaking to them. But I really think that Pep Guardiola going there, no, ain't difficult for him, because he speaks very fluent Italian. In 2001 to 2003, Obama Brescia, or Italy Kromuho. So I don't think it will be a big deal, except that they will have to agree, because it means, say, when he's coming on board, the expectation from him will be very hefty. Person will qualify for next World Cup and even the Euros, and then most of the other things that are going to happen. But the question is that will he be able to perform? Because Pep Guardiola won't coach a club team. He has been a very dominant manager in the Premier League, winning with Manchester City 4 in a row. Very spectacular manager at club level.
And the philosophy as a coach.
Yeah.
And in the Italian football DNA.
Yes. Is it going to match?
A match. A tally.
Big question.
Because Pep call Bayern.
Yeah.
Adia about Germans and the drew maybe no problem. No?
Yeah.
I must say the German game now so Osasano.
Yeah.
The German football DNA no. Osasana say or that Spanish tiki taka no.
Eba.
And they were not so happy about it. Eba sana or the Germany.
Yeah.
On mine no crown first of all born call
and that is one of the big issues.
So I don't know say Italians no consider Sanya money na. So papa no ban o man football philosophy. They understanding about the game.
Yeah.
And the kind of first born near there no. And then the Italian game no okay.
And that is why I was not shocked. Omuka say no mu didn't come out 3 days now. You have to find a way to
iron out. Of
course.
Okay.
Pep is not a manager you can just call and say I'm giving you this deal, come and no, he will not do that. He wants to know what is in it. He wants to know whether you are comfortable with the football you can.
Because Abasa, it means that I will say Italy, the entire country needs almost the philosophy. The philosophy
well. Because we all know the Catanaccio mentality of Mabombo.
It started from Nkwadano.
Very well.
No mean the clear understanding.
Very well.
Then who banning in na Oti maybe. So I don't know, but anyway, interesting times ahead. And so ABC Akobat minim ebia ayibina minim community.
The only other thing is that Zinedine Zidane, so you are confirming. But the unveiling will happen in the next few days.
Okay.
Until you will sign that deal for a French national team, no. But that also brings the question: a very successful manager at club level, a farm on one national team level, and so on. Relieved to see all of those things. And Rich, I think in the coming days, no more transfer stories are coming out.
No problem.
Until we will see how the season begins.
Okay. I know. Joshua Holutu, and at your format in Canin 104.5. We had the midweek edition of Insta Digital Passports, and 18 Kunyama,